Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. The bathtub over here does have a pretty big tear. You are going to be mixing equal parts of A and B, and then you're going to be using the two colors over here if you do need it in order to reach the color of your tub. All right, so you essentially get the stick that it came with, and you use the stick to apply it onto the damaged part. Gonna fill in those little cracks and crevices there. So the first thing I did was I ended up sanding it down. The sanding paper that it comes with, it's not so good. This is what it looks like 24 hours after I let it just sit there and dry a little bit. So as you guys can see, on the left, it does not look good at all. So I'm gonna add an additional layer over here. This one looks a lot better, but I'm probably gonna add another layer on that one too, just to be on the safe side.